how to do drag and drop on your MacBook. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings right here. And then on settings, you want to scroll down until the bottom and choose this trackpad. And then on tap to click, tap with one finger, you want to make sure you are turning this on. And the second one is you want to scroll up until accessibility, and you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down again until this pointer control, you want to click on it. And then on trackpad options, you want to press it. And on use trackpad for dragging, you want to turn this on. And on dragging style, you want to click it and choose 3-finger drag. This is the easiest one. And then click OK. And we can start drag and drop the files. And to do a drag and drop, the first way to do it by using 3-finger. So on the file that you want to drag and drop, you want to direct your cursor, and then the 3-finger, you want to tap on it on your trackpad at the same time and start to drag it to another place. And there you go. Or the second one, that to do it, you want to use your thumb or your index finger or middle finger. You only use 2-finger. So I prefer use my middle and my thumb. So on your thumb right here, you want to tap on your trackpad, and your middle finger is directing the files. So tap on the files with your thumb and direct it with your middle finger. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.